the view. So just cruise along. And we'll watch out for two. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Wondering if you got the look on his face.
I know.
The engineer?
Yeah.
All of a sudden his face just brightened up and he sticks his face in the window. Like, oh my gosh, it's a motorhome! And of course he's looking on top because he's sitting over the top of me.
I think you're not going to like me. I think I did not press it.
Oh man.
Darn it. One more time. One more time.
Press it? How is that possible?
I know. Oh, hold on for a second.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think I stopped it. Darn it.
I don't like you anymore.
I know. Yeah, it did that.
The tracks are right next to the road for miles. So oh gosh, that was classic.
One more time. One more time.
Look on his face.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Because we did not notice it right away. It's kind of like a turn. There's no...
Dash camera.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Push the blue button. The sooner the better.
This one, in the middle.
Yeah,
Push it.
Yeah. Okay, hopefully we got it.
But I don't have you.
We're backing up. The train is backing up. Hit the horn. You're okay, sister? Nobody behind us, huh?
Nobody.